fam! Nandito na. Settled na ang Alba Fam Bam with our Qantas flight going to Sydney. Okay, so see you and yeah, let's see kung ano yung mga food nila dito and the overall experience. This is our first time actually to ride Qantas Airlines. Usually Singapore Airlines or United Airlines. Yeah, let's check it out and see you later.
For the next few minutes, and we'll keep you safe on this flight as we journey to the magic places of regular Aussies all around Australia and the world. Welcome to Qantas.
Hi ma'am, okay. So, medyo gutom na tayo at sakto nagsiserve na sila ng dinner. So, ito nga pala ang dinner ko. Braised beef with mashed potatoes. And then meron silang parang bread. And then dessert, cake, and Coke. So that's for dinner tonight. And then nag-order na rin kami for Lian and Davon. May chicken teriyaki din sila. So kakainin ano. Pero tulog na tulog pa sila. So later na lang. See ya!
For the next few minutes, and we'll keep you safe on this flight as we journey to the magic places of regular Aussies all around Australia and the world. Welcome to Qantas.
Hi fam! Good morning! After 10 hours of resting, balik na rin tayo. And I'm just watching a movie. I'm beside my Kuya David here. Hindi ko alam kung kita niyo siya. Yeah. David, hi Kuya! Alright, hindi pala siya kita. So anyway, magbe-breakfast na kami. It's just 2 hours before reaching Sydney, and then we're gonna get busy again. So hopefully makakapag-edit agad kami and we can upload the journey for today. And yan si Mommy, prepare na rin ng mga papers namin kasi alam naman natin sa Australia, same as Canada, they're strict with border security and border patrol. So we need to double check each paper or declaration that we did. Okay. And yan pala ang permission.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay, fam. So, I'm back and after 10 hours na pahinga, dito na tayo and malapit na sa Australia. Siguro around 2 to 3 hours from now. Of course, meron tayong breakfast to be served. So this is my breakfast, same as with Kuya David. So like potatoes, mushrooms, scrambled eggs, and tart, some kind of tart. And syempre, di mawawala ang coffee. And syempre yung yogurt, sabi ni Kuya David. So, yep. Qantas Air, one of the best. And for Donna naman,
It's fruit platter. Yogurt. Of course, coffee. And my Dianica having yogurt. And the hot breakfast, which is the scrambled egg as well. And apple juice. How is it, baby? You like it? Apa? Yummy, yummy? Strawberry? Good morning! And we are here! Kaka-touchdown lang namin.
And yan, ang lahat.
Hello, fam! And we're here! So, itutuloy ko lang ang vlog na to and magkukwentuhan lang tayo. Just a little bit of what happened from our flight to as an airline staff, meron tayong privilege na mag-standby flight. So, may mga risk din naman yun. So, ang nangyari nga sa amin, nawalan kami ng isang bagahe. So yung box na kung saan nandun yung mga goodies natin for our family here in Australia is naiwan. Dahil siguro sa nangyari ng bump off kami sa I think 2 flights. Yeah. So dahil box siya, merong special handling ang mga boxes. So, hiwalay siya dun sa 3 luggage namin. So, siguro dahil nga na-bump off kami ng 2 flights, hindi nila alam kung saan nila talaga ilalagay. Kasi we fly standby from Calgary to Vancouver. So, when we reach Vancouver, wala yung box. So, dahil doon, medyo nag-panic tayo kasi naunang flight si Davon at si Lawrence. And then, wala sa flight nila. So, I expected it na nasa flight namin ni Lian kasi 1 flight after na kami nakaalis ni Lian. So, naghiwalay kami ng flight. Akala ko nandun siya sa flight namin. And when we arrived, Vancouver din, wala siya. So, lalo na ako nag-panic. I called some of my friends na kung pwede may check and stuff like that. So, ang sabi naman nila, nasa YYC pa nga daw, hindi na-load. So, nakipag-usap si Lawrence sa baggage assistance ng WestJet sa Vancouver and tinanong kung anong dapat gawin. Dahil hindi naman sobrang kulang yung time namin for the connection, but dahil kulang na yung magiging connecting time namin pag dumating yung boxes from the next flight. So, medyo alanganin na siya talaga. So, sabi ng WestJet, niload nila sa next flight, which is 1.5 hours na flight ulit from Calgary to Vancouver. And may mga delayed flight nung time na yun kasi medyo may problema sa ATC ng Vancouver. So, ang daming delayed flight. Hindi lang siguro sa Calgary, basta yung papasok ng Vancouver. So, medyo nalulose hope na ako na mamimake it pa ba niya. Pero, we still wait for it. Hanggang sa last minute talaga nung time na kailangan naming pumasok sa security sa next flight namin, which is Vancouver to Sydney. When Lawrence talked to the baggage assistant sa Vancouver, hindi pa nila mahanap yung bag kung nasa Vancouver nga ba or nasa Calgary pa. But eventually, we found out na nasa Vancouver pala siya. Na-load siya, pero hindi namin alam kung bakit hindi siya lumabas ng carousel or sa oversize. And then, we have some friends na may kakilala sa airport na nagtanong kung pwedeng malocate yung box. And eventually nga, nalocate na siya. Pero we really need to go to our flight kasi cut off na din siya. Naiwan yung box namin. So before that, nag-file na kami ng delayed baggage claim sa WestJet sa Vancouver. So, here's the form na pinilapan namin. You need to fill up this form. Nangyari sa inyo yon na may delayed baggage kayo, na lost baggage, missing claim. Ang sabi nila is send nila sa final destination yung bag kung saan you need to put the address and door to door daw i-deliver. But then, ang nangyari, walang direct flight from Vancouver to Sydney in the next 2 days. Maghihintay kami ng another 2 days to find out kung masasend ang box namin from Vancouver to Sydney. So ngayon, waiting kami kasi ang sabi dun sa email is we will notify you once we send the box. So 2 days yon. So pag 2 days after pa, another count tayo ng 2 more days para makarating siya dito sa Australia. Sana umabot siya before kami mag-long drive going to Byron Bay. Kasi andito pa rin kami sa New South Wales. Pero let's see. And we're crossing our finger na makarating siya dito before kami umalis. And thank you sa nag-assist sa husband ko sa airport para dun sa baggage claim niya. Although alam namin na pressure din siya in some ways kasi sabi namin we need to get the box kasi magka-cut off na ang Qantas and we really need to check in that one. Pero yeah, syempre hindi lang naman kami yung inaasikaso niya and ang dami ding flights na delay, so siguro there's a lot of baggage na kailangan din nilang intindihin. Pero thankful kami kasi nalocate pa rin siya at the end of the day. So yun yung importante. So ang iniintay na lang namin ngayon is maka-arrive siya ng Sydney. And yeah, we will keep you updated pag nakarating siya Sydney. And sa mga magta-travel, learning point na rin to. Normal traveler kayo or standby traveler, it might happen sa inyo. So you always check your bag, and if it's lost or missing, you need to file a claim. Just keep in touch with the airlines kung ano yung next move nyo, ano yung mga gagawin, kasi they are very helpful naman in some ways. So meron din naman mga sources of how to claim your bag sa airport. So just fill up that form, wait for their call, and yun yung ginagawa namin ngayon. So sana makarating siya. Ang alam namin, they are waiting na lang para sa Qantas to accept the bag para mag-fly dito. Pero we will call Qantas din for confirmation kung na-load talaga siya sa flight na yun. And yeah, 13 hours flight pala kami, fam, from Vancouver to Sydney. And surprisingly, sobrang naging smooth yung flight with 2 kids. So halfway kasi natulog lang sila kasi midnight na halos yun sa Vancouver nung umalis kami. And yeah, it was good service then. Daming food and mababait din naman yung mga FAs doon. So yeah, recommended din fly with Qantas. Diba, nag-promote pa talaga ako. And that's all for today, fam. And that's all for today, fam. Hope you'd like our video today. And watch out for more Australian trip namin. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to like our page as well in Facebook. Alba Fambam Facebook page. We have some stories, snips na nangyayari sa amin dito din sa Australia, and of course our daily life. And we have Instagram then and TikTok. It's the same Alba Fambam name. And yeah, that's all for today, and see you on the next vlog. Hang loose!